Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I am so excited. I feel like Christmas came early for me because I finally got my BOXYCharm in the mail. I feel like shipping has been so slow this year. I have something that I ordered on Cyber Monday that I still haven't gotten yet. And I love to track all of my packages to see when they're gonna get here. And I'm pretty sure my BOXYCharm changed its delivery date so many times, so I'm actually surprised that it's actually here today. But what really surprised me is that, well, I just forgot that I was getting the BOXYLUXE this month. I really thought that I was getting my regular 5-product BOXYCharm box. I say regular, but I've only ever gotten it once. So this is my second ever BOXYCharm box and my first ever BOXYLUXE box. But so the difference between the BOXYCharm regular box and the BOXYLUXE is 4 times a year you can upgrade to the BOXYLUXE for an extra $25 that month, whereas regularly the boxes are $25 on their own. But I am just so excited to see what I am going to get in here. I really haven't seen any spoilers or any unboxings yet of the BOXYLUXE. So here it is, BOXYCharm Whimsy. Very simple pamphlet here. Lots of words on the back. When I see this many words, my eyes just kind of don't even pick anything up and my brain just goes like, I'm not reading that. So funny how that happens. But as I go through and I pull up products, I will force my eyes to find them on this pamphlet here and figure out what the retail value is. But so on top here, I see some big cans. Oh, did I get? Oh, okay, I thought I got 2 dry shampoos, but oh my gosh, this first one is from IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I love dry shampoo. It is my favorite hair care product, and I have not tried out this one yet. Deep cleanse level, detoxifying, oil erasing, scalp soothing. That sounds so nice because I really do have to detox my scalp and just soothe it because of how dry the weather is here and how much dry shampoo I use. So let's find this. Okay, ooh, retail value of $27. Wow, that is a lot more than I spend on my dry shampoo now. I get the Batiste dry shampoo in a 2-pack for probably around $10. So this is going to be fancy for me. And then I also have here from the brand Rituals, the Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Sensational foaming shower gel, organic rice milk and cherry blossom. I've actually tried out one of, oh my gosh, that smells amazing. I love the smell of cherry blossom. It reminds me of like my favorite Bath & Body Works scent back in the day. But so I've tried out the Ritual Foaming Shower Gel in a citrusy flavor before and I loved it. It's such a lovely texture and like a little bit goes a long way, so you can get like your whole body with just a tiny little bit. But this has a retail value of $9.50. That's not that bad for this full size amount, and like I said, a little bit goes a long way, so this will last a long time. So I'm really excited to have that. I actually have this much left of my shower gel. I realized that this morning and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to change out my shower gel. This is perfect timing because this is going right into my shower. Okay. Oh, got an empty layer in my box here. Everything seems to be packaged very protected. Okay, let's pull out this one. Elemis Pro-Collagen Rose Facial Oil. For fine lines and wrinkles, soothes, nourishes, and smooths. I think this is one that you could choose. Oh my gosh, $79 retail value. I think this was one of the choices and I couldn't choose, so I just said to surprise me. Oh, I'm getting that beautiful rose scent right away. Hopefully that doesn't mean that it spilled out. Nope, it didn't spill. Such cute packaging. I love facial oils. I love the scent of rose. I'm definitely going to work this into my skincare routine, especially a $79 product. That is impressive. Wow. Okay. Next, what have we got here? Oh, yay. Okay, I heard about this product and I was really hoping I would get it. This is the QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. This has a $200 retail value. Wow. It's supposed to hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. I can't believe this is a thing, but I really feel like this will be very beneficial to me. So I can't wait to try this out. So I'm going to do a full dedicated review on this product as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. If you're not already aware, I try out a new makeup product every day on my YouTube channel. I have done almost 700 days in a row now. So I've reviewed so many products, but I will definitely be reviewing every makeup product that I get in this box as part of that series. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you get to see all of those full, dedicated, detailed reviews. I also am subscribed to all 3 of the Ipsy boxes, and I always do my unboxing videos of those, and I review all of the makeup products that I get in those boxes. And I started doing a full face of my Ipsy products. So lots of makeup subscription service content on my channel. So if you like that type of video, definitely make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications. But let's keep going with this unboxing. I also got, from Ciate London, the Marble Light Illuminating Blusher. I really like Ciate London. $26 value for this. Their packaging is so cute. Oh, this looks... I'm gonna be honest with you, this looks like it's been swatched. It didn't have any seal or cover to it. Like, there's no plastic covering the mirror. So if you got a Ciate London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher, let me know in the comments down below if yours came with any protective packaging, because I am concerned that this has been used. And if yours came with packaging, I would know that this has been used. But I got this in the shade Halo. I will go ahead and just see how this swatches. Ooh, it's a very pretty shade. I think that will be a beautiful blush color. It doesn't have any shimmer to it, like I kind of expected it would. But yeah, please let me know if this has protection on it. That kind of dampened my mood a little bit, seeing as how it didn't look brand new. Because I hate used makeup. Like, I won't even buy makeup from TJ Maxx or Marshalls because I'm afraid it's been touched before. But okay, let's keep the mood up and pull out the next product. So here we have Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner, waterproof liquid eyeliner. If I have tried out any Kat Von D before, it's been very few products, so I'm really excited to get a Kat Von D product. This has a retail value of $20, and I feel like I've heard so many great things about her eyeliners, so I'm really excited to try this out. Ooh, that is a very sharp, fine point. That should be really nice to work with for someone like me who is not very good at liquid eyeliner. Okay, I also got Too Faced Melted Matte Talaq liquid lipstick. I was hoping I would get one of these I got it in the shade Faking It. This has a retail value of $21, and I love Too Faced. I get so excited about any Too Faced product. So, oh my gosh, let's see what this looks like. This looks beautiful. I have to swatch it. Ooh, nice doe foot applicator. But I love a metallic liquid lipstick. So let's see. Oh, so pigmented. This is a really pretty color because it's still like a nude shade, but then it has this really pretty kind of gold metallic shine. Oh, I am so excited to try that out on my lips. This is a lipstick that I have been wanting to try for a long time, so I'm really excited that I got it in this box. Shade Faking It. Such a funny name. I have 2 more products in here. Oh, yes! This is the Fairy Tales Storybooks Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Retail value of $55. I have never tried out any of the Storybook Cosmetics products before, but I have, I'm like so picky, like checking to see if this looks swatched. No, this looks like it has not been swatched. But I have been wanting to try out Storybook Cosmetics products for a long time. I remember when I first started watching YouTube, I would see videos, makeup videos that had Storybook Cosmetics in them, and I thought that they looked so nice, but I was like, oh, that is a expensive fancy brand. Like, I'm gonna stick to my drugstore makeup, and $55 for a palette really is pricey in my opinion, but I feel so lucky that I got it as part of this box because then I got it for an amazing deal. But wow, these colors are so beautiful, like these sparkles and shimmers and metallics and glitters, like, and you've also got some nice mattes. I am so excited to try this out, but I also just love the packaging. It's so cute. I love this big mirror here. That's going to be so great when applying these. It's just like, wow, I just slammed this on the ground because I dropped it and nothing broke. Oh my gosh, thank goodness. But this is thick. It would be kind of cool if like they put something behind here or even just made it storage so that you could store like your brushes or other makeup in the palette with this. Like, I'm surprised it doesn't open up. That's just an idea. And then the last product is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. I don't think I've ever tried any products from the brand Fresh, but I've heard good things. So I feel like I've heard of almost all of these brands, and even if I hadn't tried anything out from them, I had been wanting to. So this box is so great that I'm getting to try products that I wouldn't have really purchased on my own, but I have been wanting to try. So this Fresh Soy Face Cleanser is $48. Yeah, no, I did not purchase this for myself before. So far in my experience, I get really great, fancy, high-end products in BOXYCHARM that I wouldn't normally purchase on my own. So this has been so exciting. It really does feel like a Christmas gift from myself to myself. And I'm so excited to try all of these products out and work these hair care and skincare products into my routine. So if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear your thoughts on them in the comments down below. And it's already almost January, which means my next BOXYCHARM box is right around the corner, which is one good thing about getting my box kind of late this month. So I'm really looking forward to my next box already because, wow, my first 2 BOXYCHARM boxes have blown me away. I'm so happy that I finally decided to subscribe to BOXYCHARM, and I am going to keep that subscription going. If you're looking for any last minute gift ideas for someone that loves beauty, hair care, skincare, getting them a subscription to BOXYCHARM or Ipsy, I think would be an amazing gift. If I didn't already subscribe to all of those, I probably would have asked for that this year. Instead, I did ask for a meal delivery service subscription because I've been really wanting to try that out. I think I'm just like subscription box obsessed. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.